Central bank forecasters say the domestic economy will experience a negative short-term fallout from Hurricane Dorian. The report issued yesterday says prospects remain for a positive growth in 2019, but considerably less than originally forecast, and that a healthy trajectory may not resume until about 2021. On the bright side, the timing of Hurricane Dorian at the onset of the slowest months in the tourism season meant that the robust gains from the first half of 2019 had already been realized. That according to the central bank, which in its August monthly report noted that performance could be flat to slightly contracted for 2020 before a healthy growth trajectory resumes in 2021. The report states that would depend on what's expected to be an earlier return of operations in the core of Grand Bahama's economy, in contrast to a longer absence of commerce in ABACO. Here are the numbers before Hurricane Dorian that tell the story of a crippled Grand Bahama and ABACO economy. In the stopover market, ABACO accounted for 7.9% of air arrivals recorded in the first 7 months of 2019. In the vacation rental market in the 8 months to August 2019, ABACO further housed an estimated 17.5% of booked listings in the Bahamas, compared to 29.4% for New Providence and 13.3% for EXUMA. In the meantime, Grand Bahama's recent share of air visitor arrivals was 3.8%, and the island received an estimated 8.1% of vacation rental bookings in the first 8 months of 2019. Additionally, an estimated 7.8% of recent VAT revenue payments originated from Grand Bahama and 5% from ABACO. While recovery in ABACO and Grand Bahama will generate significant rebuilding activities, the report notes, this will mean elevated employment demands, especially in construction. The report also concludes that 2 factors that could mitigate the depth and duration of the economic slowdown are the size of the available pool of construction and labor to expedite rebuilding and the degree of sustainability of tourism capacity elsewhere in the Bahamas. Overall, the government's fiscal position is projected to deteriorate over the near to medium term due to an anticipated rise in spending to restore key infrastructure and provide social assistance. In addition, revenue performance is expected to be impacted by the disruption in collections from the affected islands and tax relief offered to support the rebuilding effort. But the report notes that assistance from the global community, as well as special credit facilities from international agencies, are likely to alleviate some of the financing pressures on the government.